पहलगाम वाक़े पर भारत ने आलमी सतह पर तन्हाई का एतराफ कर लिया। यूरोपीय यूनियन की जानिब से साथ न देने पर भारतीय वजीर खारजा ने शिकवे शिकायत की हैं। पैगाम दिया है कि उन्हें नसीहत करने वालों की नहीं बल्कि शराकतदारों की तलाश है।
When we look out at the world, Samir, we look for partners. We don't look for preachers. Particularly preachers who don't practice at home what they preach abroad. And I think some of Europe is still struggling with that problem. Some of it is changing. So, the issue for us, I mean, in many ways, Europe, I think, has entered a certain zone of reality check. If we are to develop a partnership, there has to be some understanding, there has to be some sensitivity, there has to be a mutuality of interest, and there has to be a realization of how the world works.